Yam lovers would love this recipe. Today, we are going to cook Yam Beehoon Soup. We have here about 1 kilogram of fish bone, 1 bowl of chopped dried shrimps and scallops. Soak them in water for at least 1 hour before chopping them. We have some ginger slices and 3 cloves of minced garlic. This is 1 big Thai yam which has been sliced, 1 packet of thick beehoon, and 1 bowl of Chinese celery. Marinate a bowl of chopped chicken breast with 1 tablespoon of rice wine, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and some white pepper. We start by frying the chopped prawns and scallops until fragrant. Add ginger and garlic and fry for another minute. Add fish bone, and add 2 tablespoons of rice wine. Cook for about 30 seconds. And add water to fill the pot. Remove the bubbles on the surface and let it boil for 30 minutes. In the meantime, fry the yam in batches on medium heat. Fry until they are cooked and slightly brown on the edges. Remove and set it aside. Divide the yam into 4 parts. Blanch the beehoon for 2 minutes. Drain away the water. And divide the beehoon into separate bowls. Now, we go back to the soup. After 30 minutes, add 2 parts yam into the soup. Top up the water and continue boiling for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, most of the yam would have disintegrated into the soup. Pick up those which have not broken down and mash them with some soup. Strain the soup into another pot. This is our soup base for the beehoon. Add some water if necessary. Return the mashed yam into the pot. Add 1 part yam and boil for 5 minutes. Finally, add the minced chicken and bring the soup back to boil. Add Chinese celery, and add salt or soy sauce to taste. Spoon the soup into the bowl of beehoon. Serve with some fried yam. Enjoy!